Chapter 6. NFTs to Digital Collectibles, Access, Ownership and Rewards. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Shaping the future of digital assets. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, represent unique assets tokenized through blockchain technology. These tokens are distinctive identification codes derived from metadata through encryption, stored on a blockchain. They establish a unique connection with the corresponding assets, which are stored elsewhere. Unlike cryptocurrencies, which are fungible, NFTs cannot be replicated or interchanged, even if they appear identical. Their value is determined by market demand and the rights assigned to them by their owners. NFTs serve as cryptographic representations of both digital and physical items, including artwork and real estate. The process of tokenizing tangible assets enhances the efficiency of buying, selling, and trading while mitigating fraud risks. Moreover, NFTs can embody various rights, from individual identities to property rights, initially attracting collectors and investors. NFTs garnered widespread attention but have since experienced fluctuations in popularity. NFT history. The history of NFTs predates their mainstream adoption, with the first reported sale, Quantum, occurring in 2014. Kevin McCoy designed and tokenized it on Namecoin blockchain, later minted on Ethereum and sold in 2021. NFTs adhere to the ERC 721 standard, dictating ownership transfer, transaction confirmation methods, and secure transfer handling in applications. Following ERC 721, the ERC 1155 standard, introduced 6 months later, enhances efficiency by grouping multiple non-fungible tokens into a single contract, reducing transaction costs. In March 2021, digital artist Beeple made headlines with the sale of a collection of NFTs for over $69 million. This sale set a record for the most expensive digital art sold at the time. The artwork, a collage spanning Beeple's first 5,000 days of work, underscored the rising prominence of NFTs in the art world and beyond. As such, NFTs have emerged as a significant innovation in digital ownership and asset representation. The secrets of NFTs. Minting, ownership and blockchain dynamics. Understanding how non-fungible tokens, NFTs, function involves delving into the intricacies of the minting process and the unique characteristics they exhibit within blockchain technology. NFTs are brought into existence through a method known as minting, where the pertinent information of an asset is encrypted and recorded onto a blockchain. This process encompasses the creation of a new block, validation of NFT data by a validator, and the subsequent closure of the block. Often, this minting process incorporates smart contracts, which serve to assign ownership and facilitate the transfer of NFTs between parties. During the minting process, each NFT is endowed with a distinctive identifier directly associated with a blockchain address. This identifier serves as a means to differentiate between individual tokens, even if multiple tokens represent identical assets. To illustrate, consider the analogy of general admission tickets to a movie. Each ticket may grant access to the same film, yet possesses a unique serial number for identification purposes. Despite the term non-fungible tokens, it's notable that various blockchains may utilize different terminology for such assets. For instance, on the Bitcoin blockchain, these tokens are referred to as ordinals, comparable to Ethereum-based NFTs. Bitcoin ordinals can be bought, sold, and traded. However, the fundamental distinction lies in their creation mechanism. While Ethereum generates tokens specific to assets, ordinals assign serial numbers, identifiers, to satoshis, the smallest Bitcoin denomination. The concept of fungibility, inherent in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, contrasts with the unique nature of NFTs. Fungibility denotes the interchangeability of one unit for another within a given currency system. For instance, one Bitcoin is universally equivalent in value to another Bitcoin on exchanges. Conversely, NFTs introduce a departure from fungibility by imbuing each token with distinctiveness and irreplaceability. rendering it impossible for one NFT to be considered equal to another. NFTs represent digital manifestations of real-world assets, often likened to digital passports due to their unique and non-transferable identities. This individuality is further underscored by the extensibility of NFTs, enabling the creation of new, distinct tokens through the combination of existing ones, a phenomenon colloquially termed breeding within the cryptocurrency industry. By comprehending the nuances of blockchain technology and the distinct properties of NFTs, one can appreciate the transformative potential they hold within the digital economy. As NFTs continue to evolve and permeate various sectors, their role in facilitating secure and transparent ownership records, fostering trust in transactions, and spurring innovation remains paramount. Exploring the multifaceted world of NFT types. Collectibles. NFTs have broadened the concept of collectibles, allowing digital assets to be traded as unique items. This trend gained prominence with the introduction of CryptoKitties in 2017, marking the genesis of NFT collectibles. Today, the NFT market boasts a plethora of trading cards and collectibles catering to diverse interests and preferences. Artwork. A significant portion of NFTs circulating today comprises virtual artworks, reflecting artists' rapid embrace of NFT technology. Digital images, GIFs, and short videos are sold as programmable art pieces, blurring the boundaries between digital and physical art markets. These artworks often command high prices, with some fetching millions in online auctions. Event tickets. NFTs offer a novel solution for event ticketing, simplifying verification processes and enhancing security measures. Organizers of concerts and festivals can mint limited NFT tickets on selected blockchains, ensuring authenticity and accessibility for attendees. These tickets can be conveniently stored in mobile wallets, streamlining the ticketing experience for participants. Music and media. The tokenization of music and media files has revolutionized the music industry, empowering artists with greater control over their creative works. NFTs enable the direct engagement of artists with audiences and allow them to retain a larger share of their earnings. This transition from fungible goods to tokenized assets has spurred innovation and reshaped the dynamics of the music marketplace. Gaming. Game developers have enthusiastically integrated NFTs into online gaming platforms, introducing unique in-game items and enhancing the gaming experience. Non-fungible tokens serve as immutable records of ownership for in-game assets such as characters and skins. Additionally, NFTs are utilized for the sale of limited edition downloadable content, DLC, catering to players seeking exclusive gaming experiences. Sports. NFTs capture iconic sports moments through short video clips, offering fans a digital representation of memorable events. These NFTs hold historical significance and appeal to sports enthusiasts seeking exclusive collectibles. Although intangible, these digital assets command significant value due to their cultural and historical significance. Virtual fashion. NFTs extend into the realm of virtual fashion, allowing individuals to customize their online avatars with unique clothing items. Limited edition virtual fashion items cater to fashion-conscious consumers seeking exclusive digital assets. Each item is one of a kind, reflecting the opulence and individuality of virtual fashion trends. Real-world assets. Speculation abounds regarding the potential for NFTs to represent real-world assets, with projects focusing on tokenizing luxury items and real estate. The cryptographic proof of ownership provided by NFTs facilitates the seamless transfer of ownership for real-world assets, offering new avenues for asset management and investment. Memes. Memes have found a place in the NFT market, with creators exploring the sale of iconic memes as digital collectibles. Despite their intangible nature, memes hold cultural significance and appeal to internet users worldwide. The sale of memes as NFTs underscores the evolving landscape of digital culture and the adaptability of NFTs as a medium for creative expression. Virtual worlds. NFTs grant ownership of virtual assets within digital worlds, ranging from avatar wearables to virtual land. The concept of virtual land ownership has gained prominence with the rise of the metaverse, offering lucrative opportunities for investors and enthusiasts. Virtual world NFTs represent a new frontier in digital ownership, blurring the lines between virtual and physical realities. Domain names. The NFT market has facilitated the registration and sale of domain names, providing users with exclusive ownership rights. Platforms such as Ethereum Name Service, ENS, and Unstoppable Domains offer decentralized solutions for acquiring and managing domain names. NFT domain names offer unique advantages, including direct ownership and bypassing traditional domain management services. Phygital NFTs. Blending physical and digital worlds. Phygital NFTs, a word combination of physical and digital, signify an intriguing connection of the tangible and virtual worlds within the NFT domain. These tokens serve as a bridge between physical assets and their digital representations, adding a new layer of depth to the NFT ecosystem. The fundamental concept behind phygital NFTs involves linking a physical object with its corresponding digital token on the blockchain. This linkage is facilitated through various technologies such as NFC chips or QR codes embedded within the physical item, each associated with a unique identifier that corresponds to its digital twin on the blockchain. This creates a direct correlation between the physical item and its virtual representation, ensuring authenticity and traceability. One prominent application of phygital NFTs lies in the world of art and collectibles, where creators produce limited edition physical pieces accompanied by digital tokens. The digital component often contains supplementary multimedia content, enriching the overall value and uniqueness of the NFT. This fusion of physical and digital elements provides collectors with a more immersive experience, allowing them to appreciate both the tangible craftsmanship and the digital enhancements associated with the NFT. Additionally, phygital NFTs find utility in authentication and provenance tracking, particularly for luxury goods or high-value assets. By embedding unique identifiers into physical objects, the blockchain serves as an immutable ledger that verifies authenticity and ownership history, combating counterfeiting and establishing transparent records of an item's journey over time. Overall, the rise of phygital NFTs showcases the innovative potential of blockchain technology in harmonizing physical and digital worlds, paving the way for transformative changes across various industries. Dynamic NFTs. Exploring static and adaptive tokens. Dynamic NFTs, often abbreviated as DNFTs, mark a notable advancement within the non-fungible token, NFT, space. These tokens, renowned for their unique properties and indivisibility, now possess a dynamic attribute, allowing them to adjust and transform in response to external stimuli. This development represents a significant departure from traditional NFTs, which typically maintain static properties once minted. In essence, dynamic NFTs introduce a new layer of flexibility and interactivity to the NFT ecosystem, opening up novel avenues for creative expression and utility. The concept of a dynamic NFT revolves around its ability to undergo changes based on external conditions, facilitated by smart contracts encoded with specific instructions. These instructions dictate when and how the NFT's metadata should be modified, enabling the token to adapt to evolving circumstances. Additionally, dynamic NFTs can incorporate hidden traits or elements that manifest through user interactions, further enhancing their dynamic nature. To comprehend the workings of a dynamic NFT, one must consider the foundational components. An NFT smart contract adhering to established standards, connectivity to external data via blockchain oracle services, and the automation of metadata changes triggered by predefined conditions. Through the integration of these elements, developers can create dynamic NFTs that respond autonomously to real-world data, augmenting their engagement and functionality in unprecedented ways. PFP NFTs. A NFT PFP, where PFP stands for profile picture, is a common feature found across various social media platforms. These profile pictures represent a subset of a broader model concerning virtual visual identities, commonly seen in avatars used in gaming and on social media. The essence of PFPs lies in their representation of identity within the digital realm. They serve as a means for individuals to establish and communicate their personal, community, and possibly professional identities. Through PFPs, users can express belonging and facilitate recall within their online communities. It's important to recognize that individuals often maintain multiple identities across different platforms, which can sometimes overlap. These identities may include professional, community, or vocational personas, each tailored to suit the context of its respective platform. Users strategically select and present their PFPs based on their perceptions of the platform and its audience, consciously shaping their online depictions to attract specific types of viewership. In some cases, individuals opt for pseudonymous identities, using alternative names or personas for various reasons. Pseudonymity serves to separate identities, clarify messaging, or protect the author's privacy or safety. Whether through their chosen PFPs or pseudonyms, users actively engage in crafting and curating their online identities to reflect their desired image and communicate effectively within digital spaces. CryptoPunks. From generative collectibles to PFP NFTs. A PFP NFT collection refers to a set of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, specifically designed for use as profile pictures, PFPs, within digital spaces. One of the notable pioneers in this world is CryptoPunks, which initially emerged not as PFPs but as generative collectibles. This collection comprises 10,000 randomly generated characters, each with unique traits, and their ownership is verified and recorded on the Ethereum blockchain. Initially distributed for free in June 2017, the value of CryptoPunks has skyrocketed, with prices ranging from approximately $90,000 for the majority of punks to several $1 million for the rarest ones. Larva Labs, the creators of CryptoPunks, introduced the concept of a decentralized marketplace for these NFTs, enabling royalty-free trading. They retained 10% of the supply and maintained intellectual property rights over the entire collection. Despite its original purpose, the use of CryptoPunks as PFPs emerged organically over time, with NFT influencers adopting them as their profile pictures. PFP NFT collections hold significant social capital, serving as signals of being cryptonative, indicating early adoption or a willingness to invest considerable capital. Additionally, they cultivate social bonds among like-minded individuals, as seen in groups like Punk Follow Punk and the CryptoPunks Discord community, providing networking opportunities within the digital sphere. Furthermore, utilizing a CryptoPunk NFT as a PFP allows for personal branding and recall, offering users the option of pseudonymity if desired. Future of PFP NFTs. Opportunities and considerations. Yuga Labs spearheaded a significant shift in the landscape of PFPs with the introduction of the utility era, exemplified by the Bored Ape Yacht Club, BAYC. This collection comprises 10,000 NFTs, each representing a randomly generated collectible character based on distinct traits, with ownership proofs securely stored on the Ethereum blockchain, initially attainable for 0.08 ETH in April 2021. These NFTs are now traded exclusively on the secondary market, granting commercial rights to their owners. Central to Yuga's approach was the emphasis on utility, offering token holders access to a virtual clubhouse, commercial rights, participation in physical events such as parties, airdrops, and even integration into a game or metaverse known as Other Side. These additional benefits served to enhance the value proposition of the BAYC NFTs and forward a sense of community among their holders. Following in the footsteps of BAYC, many other PFP collections have begun experimenting with utility models. Examples include Cool Cats, Doodles, and Moonbirds, each offering unique perks such as branded physical goods or exclusive access to special NFT collections. Additionally, emerging trends in 3D NFT-based avatar collections, exemplified by projects like Meebits, signify the ongoing evolution of PFPs. Despite these advancements, several key issues persist within the orbit of PFPs. One such issue is the valuation of these digital assets, as determining the right price remains a subject of debate. Moreover, questions surrounding the utility of PFP collections arise, prompting considerations regarding their implications for securities legislation and the efficacy of different licensing models, whether commercial licenses or public domain licenses like CC0, Creative Commons. Furthermore, there is ongoing discourse regarding the nature of PFPs within digital communities. Are they mere consumers of PFPs? Or do they form integral parts of these communities? Additionally, PFPs straddle the line between art, cultural artifacts, and fast fashion commodities, posing questions about their long-term sustainability and revenue models. While primary sales and royalties are common revenue streams, newer models like utility-based offerings are gaining traction, indicating a shifting paradigm in the monetization of PFPs. In essence, PFPs represent a subset of a broader model of virtual visual identities, providing valuable insights into user behavior and the culture of their online communities. They offer avenues for pseudonymity and serve as publicly accessible community databases, supporting the creation of applications without intimate knowledge of PFP holders. However, as the field of PFPs continues to evolve, addressing outstanding issues such as valuation, utility, and revenue models remains paramount to their sustained growth and development. Generative art NFTs. Creativity and technology on the blockchain. Generative art NFTs, a fusion of technology and creativity, represent a new frontier in the world of digital art. At its core, generative art involves the use of systems, such as computer programs or machines, to autonomously produce artworks. This process introduces an element of randomness, contributing to the creation of unique and unpredictable pieces. In simpler terms, generative art is art created through computer programming, intentionally incorporating randomness into its creation process. Generative art NFTs are pieces of artwork created using computer code and stored on the blockchain. Typically, generative artists establish rules within their code to guide the creation process, resulting in a diverse array of images and patterns. These artworks are created through two main approaches: long-form and short-form. In the long-form method, artists develop complex algorithms to generate intricate and multifaceted artworks, while the short-form approach focuses on simpler, more immediate creations. The intersection of generative art and NFTs has led to the emergence of generative art NFT projects. Artists write code that produces artwork, which is then minted into NFTs. The artwork is generated by the algorithm, combining images or patterns according to the rules established by the artist. Notably, these NFTs often incorporate specific attributes of varying rarity, creating levels of scarcity within the collection. Autoglyphs stands as one of the earliest and most well-known on-chain generative art NFT projects. Launched in 2019 by Canadian developers and Larva Labs founders John Watkinson and Matt Hall, Autoglyphs operates on the Ethereum blockchain. Each autoglyph artwork pays homage to pioneers of generative art and features various symbol schemes, showcasing the potential for creativity within the realm of computer-generated art. However, the traditional art market faces several challenges, including issues of authenticity and provenance, with up to half of the international art market estimated to consist of forgeries and fakes. Establishing provenance and authenticity has been a long-standing challenge. External dependencies, such as the opinions of experts and art curators, have historically played a crucial role in verifying the authenticity and value of artworks. Yet, these external factors are susceptible to corruption and error, leading to discrepancies in valuation. Provenance, which includes details such as the artist's name, creation date, previous owners, and prices, serves as a critical record of ownership for artworks. However, the lack of a standardized global system for recording this information has contributed to challenges in verifying authenticity within the art market. As the art world continues to evolve, the integration of generative art NFTs presents both opportunities and challenges, reshaping traditional notions of value and authenticity in the digital age. NFT loyalty programs. NFT loyalty programs represent an innovative approach to customer engagement, offering businesses a novel way to enhance customer loyalty while providing a heightened sense of security for consumers. The accessibility of NFT-powered loyalty programs allows businesses to design comprehensive benefit structures, mapping out specific advantages for each NFT within the program. In a typical NFT loyalty program, businesses can tailor a diverse range of benefits to different NFTs, granting customers access to exclusive discounts, experiences, and even virtual reality assets. This flexibility enables businesses to unleash their creativity and craft loyalty programs that go beyond the traditional model of points and discounts. Customers are not only rewarded with monetary incentives but also with unique and immersive experiences, fostering a deeper connection between the brand and its clientele. Comparing NFT loyalty programs to their traditional counterparts reveals a notable difference in scope and flexibility. Traditional loyalty programs often have specific limitations, targeting certain aspects of a business and imposing set requirements for customers to earn rewards. In contrast, NFT programs break free from these constraints, offering a broader spectrum of benefits that extend beyond mere discounts. The dynamic nature of NFTs allows for the inclusion of virtual assets and experiences, enriching the customer's interaction with the brand. Moreover, NFT loyalty programs can introduce an element of surprise and delight by occasionally providing customers with additional loyalty program NFTs. These unexpected tokens can unlock further benefits, creating an ongoing sense of anticipation and engagement. This element of unpredictability sets NFT loyalty programs apart, offering a more dynamic and evolving relationship between businesses and their loyal customer base. Overall, NFT loyalty programs provide a platform for businesses to redefine and elevate their customer loyalty strategies. By embracing the possibilities of blockchain technology and NFTs, businesses can not only enhance the tangible benefits offered to customers but also create a more immersive and personalized loyalty experience. As the landscape of loyalty programs evolves, NFT-powered initiatives promise to play a crucial role in reshaping customer relationships and loyalty in the digital age. ERC-404 tokens. Balancing fungibility and non-fungibility in the blockchain. ERC-404 represents an innovative approach within the orbit of Ethereum token standards, aiming to merge the functionalities of both ERC-20 and ERC-721 tokens. This experimental standard enables tokens to possess characteristics of both fungible and non-fungible assets simultaneously, presenting a unique example in the world of blockchain-based assets. The mechanism behind ERC-404 involves the binding of an ERC-721 token to an ERC-20 token, wherein the latter represents the former when held as a complete token. However, when the ERC-20 token is divided into fractions for trading purposes, the associated ERC-721 token is burnt. Subsequently, when complementary fractions are combined to form a complete token, a new ERC-721 token is minted, thereby maintaining the non-fungibility of the asset. At its core, ERC-404 employs a mint and burn strategy to manage the non-fungible aspects of ERC-721 tokens within the framework of ERC-20 fungibility. This strategy facilitates the creation of a cohesive relationship between ERC-721 and ERC-20 tokens, wherein they are proportionally linked to each other. Despite being an experimental standard, ERC-404 has garnered considerable attention and interest from cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Notably, ERC-404 tokens have demonstrated positive price growth on average, indicating a promising reception within the blockchain community. As the development and adoption of ERC-404 tokens progress, they have the potential to introduce novel opportunities and use cases within the blockchain ecosystem, further expanding the realm of possibilities for digital assets and tokenization. Explaining NFT burning. The code and process. An NFT might need to be burned to permanently remove it from circulation or invalidate its ownership. This could be necessary for various reasons, such as fulfilling the terms of a contract, eliminating duplicates, or correcting errors in the token's metadata. Burning an NFT ensures that it can no longer be traded, transferred, or accessed, effectively removing it from the blockchain network. An NFT burn effectively eliminates its existence, making it inaccessible and non-recoverable. Burning an NFT involves a specific process typically implemented through smart contracts on the blockchain. The smart contract governing the NFT will contain a function that enables the burning of the token. When a user initiates this function, the smart contract executes code to permanently remove the NFT from circulation. This process usually involves updating the token's metadata or status within the smart contract to indicate that it has been burned, effectively rendering it unusable and irretrievable. Once burned, the NFT ceases to exist within the blockchain network.